In a social network of 4 people, only the following 3 pairs of people can communicate directly with each other. Dan and Geet, so we want a straight line there between those two. Earl and Finn, and Geet and Earl. So complete the network to show the information. We've done that. Use a labeled matrix N to represent the information about this social network. So if we do D, E, F, G, and then across the top the same thing, D, E, F, G. So D to D is 0, D to E is 0, D to F is 0, D to G is 1. E to D is 0, E to E is 0, E to F is 1, E to G is 1. F to D is 0, there's no link there. F to E is 1. F to F is 0, F to G is 0. And then finally for G, G to D is 1, G to E is 1, G to F is 0, and G to G is 0. So we want to determine n squared. Now we can do that on the calculator. Obviously you could do it without the calculator, but we may as well use the calculator to do this. All the matrices are in Math 2, and we want a 4x4, so that gives us a 4x4, and then we can start filling the values in. So that's 0, 0, 0, and 1. And then the next row is 0, 0, 1, and 1. The third row is 0, 1, 0, 0, and the bottom row is 1, 1, 0, 0. And we just want to square that, so just in the usual way, just squared. And that gives us this matrix here, which we can then copy down. So 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 0, 0, 1, 2. Now, interestingly, the questions that I've got in front of me, or the answer sheet that I've got in front of me, is different to these questions, and it says n squared plus n. And if that's the case, you just add these two together, so that's easy enough. I'm just going to do that because it helps us do the third part of the question. So if we add these two matrices, we're going to get 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. Then we'll get 0, 1, 1, 1. And 1, 1, 1, 2. It says, can all members of the network communicate with each other directly or via a third person? Justify your answer by referring to matrix n squared plus n. So that's what I'm saying, we would have done this matrix anyway. This one over here is n squared plus n. Well, the answer is no. And the reason is we have 2 zeros in n squared plus n. So this matrix would be direct communication for n, and via another person is n squared, but we still have 2 zeros, so those ones cannot be done.